Hello and thanks for joining us for another video from the Bismarck Weather Education Center. Please enjoy part 4 of our air pressure experiment video series.
Welcome to our experiment on air pressure. In this video here, we're going to alter the air pressure with an experiment using a hard-boiled egg, and it's peeled. So you got to take the peel off for this hard-boiled egg. Again, let's review and set the stage on what we're going to look at, how we're going to alter the air pressure. As we said, air pressure is all around us. So we have air outside of this bottle and we have air inside of this bottle. And right now it's equalized. What we want to do is we want to create an imbalance. So we want to lower the pressure inside this glass bottle. And coincidentally, you want to get a glass bottle that the egg will sit firmly in. So you don't want to get too small, but you don't want to get it too big either. So you can buy these at your local convenience store where they sell the juice bottles at. So what we're going to do is we're going to alter the air pressure by adding heat. And remember what we said about temperature. Temperature is a measure of the random motion of all these air molecules around us. So the warmer the temperature, the faster they're going to move. Now there's something called the ideal gas law. And if you're studying science, because this bottle is solid, it's rigid, the volume can't expand and it can't contract. So that means that whatever air is in here, if we heat the temperature, the pressure goes up. If we decrease the temperature, meaning those air molecules move slower, the pressure goes down. So what we initially want to do is heat the air up to have those air molecules flowing very, very quickly. And what you're going to see is the air flow out to try to equalize that pressure. Then, once the fire or the flame inside goes out, because it's using oxygen inside this bottle, once it goes out, the temperature cools, the air molecules move slower, you lower the pressure. And then the 14.7 pounds per square inch acting on this egg will push the egg down into the bottle. So, first off, kids at home, please don't do this on your own. Have your parents with you because we are using a flame, we're using paper, and remember, always wear your safety goggles. So, put your safety goggles on. What you're going to need again is a glass bottle, a peeled hard-boiled egg, and a piece of paper. And this is the trick. I went through this experiment several times. And the key is just to cut a slice of paper going down, maybe about 3/4 of an inch wide, and then you fold it. And this is what a folded piece of paper looks like, of course. And then the key is you want to kind of match up the length here to about the neck of the bottle, say right about here. So get a pair of scissors and just cut it like that. Okay. The trick is, when you light the paper on fire, you want to make sure that you got a high enough flame before you actually stick it inside the bottle. If the flame's too low, you're not going to get it. It'll work, but it won't work as well. Because what we want to show is we want to heat the air so warm, so high, that the egg, when you put it on, it'll flutter or jiggle, meaning the air's trying to escape. With a high flame, that's possible. With a low flame, it's not going to work too well. So, again, we have our little flame that we're going to generate here, and we're going to light the paper on fire, and we'll see what happens, okay? You'll see the egg jiggle, and then once the flame goes out, the egg will be pushed down. It's not really sucked down because pressure moves from high pressure towards low pressure. The low pressure is inside the glass bottle, the high pressure is outside of the glass bottle. So here it goes. Okay. There's the fluttering. There you go, the egg in the bottle trick.